Hey boss boos, what's up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiara J here, and in today's video we just doing a real deal basic tutorial, getting into the nitty gritty when it comes to the lace, the mistakes, the cleanup, the stickiness, the mess, all the questions, all the little stuff that people have questions about when it comes to lace, all the little things that we run into when it comes to lace that you may not see on our regular, you know what I'm saying, beauty video. We're gonna get up and close and personal with it today and just show y'all, you know, the real deal of how to lay this lace and how to get it right, how to get it tight. So shout out to Wiggins Hair for supplying us with the wiggy wig for today's video. Y'all make sure to click those links down below to check out all the information. They sent us over this 24-inch body wave highlighted wig. Y'all, this hair is just so gorgeous. Like, the first thing that caught my attention about this wig was the thickness of the hair, the quality of the hair. Like, so much hair on this wig. The body wave is popping. Okay, so if y'all want to get your hands on this wig, once again, make sure to click those links down below. So thank you Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video, sending over this really cute wig. Okay, y'all gonna see it all in the video, and I will leave my final reviews, final thoughts on this hair, on this wig at the end of the video, so make sure to watch until the end. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this wig slay and get up close and personal, you know what I'm saying, with the lace. You finna lay it down. So girl, we gonna jump straight into this lace work with some in detail plucking and showing y'all how I mold this to get it flat. So I just start off by spraying down the wig with water. It makes it so much easier to pluck. You want to make sure you got your spray. Now look at this right here. Y'all see the motion that I'm using, going straight, like vertical with the hairline with plucking. I noticed that I was doing it wrong for so long, like holding the tweezers, like going down like at a slant, like going horizontally, going against the grain of the hairline, makes it come out super blotchy. So I found that you definitely want to keep it vertical, baby. Keep that tweezer point vertical with the hairline, and you're gonna get the most natural result, so you don't like botch the hairline. Okay, and y'all see me just parting and going back, plucking. You kind of want to make it look bald for real, like get you a little bald spot, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. It's gonna make that wig, that hairline look nice and natural. Watch that. You see that? Yeah, that's what we want. So we just gonna continue creating that gradual effect on both sides just by parting, plucking. That's all you want to do. And honestly, plucking takes some time to learn. Like, it took me a little minute to learn how to pluck for real, because like I said, I was doing like a blotchy job a lot of times because I just wasn't positioning everything right. But you know, once you get your own groove of it, like, it becomes really easy. First of all, huge congrats to my sister for launching her own keeping these styling mousse. Y'all, let me tell you about this mousse. This mousse, just look at it. I mean, I love it better than the Nairobi, and I ain't even saying that because that's my sister. Like, that mousse is the truth. Okay, y'all gotta go cop some. I just had to plug my sis real quick. But this is my favorite part of the wig process, when you get to mold it down and just get it on flat. Like, literally, this mousse did about the whole job. Like, look how sleek, honey. Do you see how sleek? Girl, yes. But I like to go in with my blow dryer, and I found that you need that concentrated nozzle, girl. When you get that concentrated nozzle, that is just like a press and comb, but better. Like, it just flattens the wig so good. Like, I just love, girl, y'all see how flat the wig is. I don't even really gotta say nothing else. Okay, time to style and profile. I just wanted to give y'all the real deal scoop on getting a nice, clean, polished look when you're styling your wig. But first, let's go ahead and cut these layers. We're gonna do a little bang. I thought of something different with this style. Like, it's not really something you see. Like, I did a little side bang with crimps. Like, I don't know, I was feeling it, but I don't know, it was different. But I am just doing those little face framing layers so we can have our little shebang popping. And then I just do these wavy crimps all the way around with this waver that I found at Sally's. Love this tool, by the way. And this right here, y'all, hairspray is a wig's best friend. Like, a lot of times, especially with colored hair, you can have a lot of flyaways just because that hair is colored, and you know, it needs some more moisture, conditioning, and all of that stuff. But the hairspray definitely seals it in when it comes to like a polished style. So I love hairspray, like love it. I use it like before I style it, and that just gives it like a nice nice crispy salon quality, like polished look. So yeah. And this right here is what I forgot to do in the beginning when I was taking care of the lace. But you definitely want to tint your lace. At least this lace definitely needed to be tinted, because it was like, I think this is a transparent lace to where it gives off like an ashy tone. So you need it to be like your color. So yeah, spray that lace, seal it in with hairspray, and boom, bada bang. But bleaching the knots along with the tint definitely would have made it 100 times better. All right, the fun part, girls, about to lay this lace down, lay the wig down. So first I'm gonna show you guys in depth my spray ball cap. So I'm just applying that gots to be glue, gots to be glue. I'm applying that to my hairline just to slick it down. I'm also using the freeze spray. The freeze spray is really the key. That really gets your hair, like, I need to touch up like months of non-touched up, but you know that spray gets it down. So this airbrush legs is what gives us our spray ball cap. But pause real quick, like, do y'all think Sally Henson, whoever she is, Sally Henson, when she came out with these airbrush legs, did she ever thought us black girls gonna be using it on our wigs? Oh my god, that is like hilarious to me. Like the same thing with gots to be, like, we really be innovating some stuff. Like who thought of that? Who thought of that? Because I know it was a black girl out there that was like, wait a minute, I could use, I want to know. Now I gotta go do some research. Who was the first person to think of this stuff? Who started using the spray brush, the airbrush on people wigs? Who started using the gots to be glue? That was for them white boys with their spikes, and we took it for the wigs, honey. Anyway, girl, let's go ahead and spray on this ball cap. Like, I honestly don't know how I thought of this. I'm sure I'm not the first person to have thought of this, but when I say this works for us girls who is just not trying to fool around with the cap, summertime, especially summertime wigs, we do not have the time to have no cap on no head. I mean, I don't. The ball cap method, the real ball cap method, gives me anxiety. So to spray a little something and get the same result, an easier result, is just everything for me. And then I just go in with that Ruby Kisses powder. I use that more so around my hairline. The reason being is because you don't want, the Sally Hansen airbrush legs is wet. So I never tried it on my hairline, but I just didn't think that would go well. So the powder, it works, and I have definitely tested my little spray ball cap method. It works, girl. Like when you take the wig off and you want to apply another one, what I do is just grab like a wet rag just with water, and I kind of clean off like the hairline part, and I just reapply the powder. But the Sally Hansen, it sticks, like it just be sticking there, and it does shampoo out. You have to shampoo it out, even like with your braids in, it comes out, baby, and you can do it all over again. I just been loving this method. And of course, y'all already know we use the alcohol to clean off the hairline, which is definitely important if you want to get a good melt and you want it to stick. So after that hairline is cleaned, y'all know what I'm going in with, the Eben lace spray. This has become my new fave for wigs. Like, it holds a lot like glue, but it's very easy to come off, and it's everything. So I put like a couple coats on. You can put like up to 3 coats depending on how long you want to wear this wig for, and just blow dry it in. You can touch it. Bam, it's sticky. Okay, we finna get it in. So I do want to show y'all too, I cut the combs off inside of my wigs because I don't wear a cap. You do not want no combs snagging at your hair, so just cut them off. You don't need them. And then I just work in those 3 sections. I start with the middle, and I just wanted to give y'all like a real view of how it is to put on a wig, because I know my videos be like, you know, more so sped up, but I just want to give y'all a really up close and personal view of like what it really be looking like sometimes when you know what I'm saying, trying to lay some lace and it don't come out right all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and do these other 2 sides, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Okay, time to cut the lace, y'all. I have like literally just learned that cutting the lace is probably the second most important thing to getting a good melt, because when you cut that lace raggedy, and I'm gonna show y'all why I don't like using this what is this called, eyebrow razor. The reason I don't like using this is because it leaves everything too raggedy. Maybe my razor just not sharp enough, but when you go in cutting some lace, you want everything to be like chum chum cham. I'm not talking about like cutting in a straight line, like making your hairline straight. You don't want to look like you got a fresh line up, you know what I'm saying? You still want to cut it ragged, but as y'all can see, like that razor for me, just it leaves behind like, I don't know, it's lace, so it's a material, so when it's not cut like with a clean cut, you're gonna have like some little pieces that just don't be looking that good. So I started using like little scissors. They like beard scissors, but I just couldn't find them for this video. So, but I just want y'all to see, y'all see how this lace is looking. We ain't finna walk out looking like this, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes that's just how it turn out. Sometimes, look at me going behind, like cutting stuff. This is what you would call, I would call this not a super successful melt. And sometimes you get that, like sometimes it could be the lace, because this lace was a little thick. This lace is, I believe, is transparent, so it gave like that little ashy look that you had to kind of finesse. Really, that's what it is. Boom. Lace is a finesse game. The more you finesse your lace, like I said, if I would have bleached the knots, it probably would have went a little smoother during the meltdown. But it's just a huge finesse game. You got to get it to be your skin color. You got to cut that lace right. It's just like you blending in. It's like a piece of art. Like you just got to try to blend it in the best way you can. Get this material to match, you know what I'm saying, your skin, and you in there. But sometimes it come out like this. And guess what? That is perfectly normal. That is perfectly okay. You can still save the lace. All you have to do is get your alcohol, get you a cotton round. You really should use a cotton pad, so because that cotton, these cotton balls, they be sticking to the lace. But anyway, yeah, y'all see that? But just, you know, clean off that excess gel, or if it's glue, clean off that excess glue, because, you know, sometimes you just don't hit it right on the hairline. It could be some of that spray outside of the hairline. And it's so funny, somebody actually asked me about this, and I'm like, girl, this happens, like, it's very normal. Just all you gotta do is wipe it off with alcohol. And then this is the super important part, which is the actual melt. So you want to take you an elastic little strip. I found these on Amazon. You can check them out in my Amazon store. And what you want to do is press that lace that didn't really melt that good, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna melt it in. So after you do your makeup, sit around for a while, take that thing off, baby, bam. What I tell you, girl, I ain't do nothing extra. That's all I did was put that thing on there. Boom, and it melts it melts. You good. Don't panic. You good. It's still not all the way perfect to me. This lace really, it just, I don't know. It was the color for me. It was the thickness for me. Like, this wasn't my favorite lace to work with, but it's still workable. Put that makeup on. Of course, y'all seen that little indentation because I already did my makeup with the little strip on. But once you put your, you know, makeup on and everything blends. Like, it ain't the perfect, you know, most perfect install, but it blends, baby. So now y'all know what I'm doing. Baby hair season, whatever. Arrogant Tay curls. And you might also have to go back in and spray just like that, especially with the ear tabs. The ear tabs always be a little struggle for me. So, and then I like to use Got To Be glue gel to mold down my edges. It depends on the hair. This hair I feel like needed the Got To Be, you know, gel, just to have like that extra assurance. But while using this, you want to use the Got To Be gel before you do your makeup. Y'all gonna see why, because it can create a mess. And also you want to put that gel like one baby hair at a time, because look at that baby hair. Yeah, once it started to dry up, like once you put that gel down, it starts drying up really quick, and it can leave you with that like white crusty. And girl, this baby hair right here was just a pain in the butt. I had to go pluck a little bit, wipe it off, start over. But you know, sometimes it be like that. This is just a real deal tutorial, okay? But as you can see, with a little time, little patience, realistic wiping off and starting over, you can get you a good melted lace, even if you are a beginner. You just gotta think about it, take your time, and boom, bada bam, child. It ain't perfect, but you can go somewhere. Girl, Wiggins, you did that. You did that. Like, do y'all see this highlight? Like, I'll see just the quality of this hair. Hold on, I want y'all to really catch it, because ooh-wee. The quality of this hair is absolutely amazing. Like, the length, 24 inches. I am a little shorty, so it's coming along with it. Like, this hair is just so freaking popping. I love it. So I want to go ahead and give a little review on this hair, y'all. No negatives at all when it comes to this hair, when it comes to this color. Like, they did a bomb color job. I love that it's not blotchy. Like, do y'all see this? Like, I would say that the lace needs a little work for you to do. Like, once you get it, it's not one of them, you know, throw on and go type of laces. You do need to pluck. I would definitely recommend bleaching. I feel like if I bleached my knots, I would have had a way easier time with this wig. I would also recommend tinting it, because the lace is kind of like that casty type of lace to where you need it to be your color. You can use like the even lace tint. That's what I use. Or you could tint your lace with some other tinters. I'm not really into tinting lace, so I really don't know what's out there. Tinting the lace, bleaching the knots, plucking is definitely a must when it comes to this wig. But if you take your time with it, like, I didn't get it all the way perfect, you know what I'm saying? I feel like it could have been a little more, just a little, I could have brought a little bit stronger to it. I feel like I didn't get the lace all the way perfect. Maybe if I would have bleached the knots or like tinted my lace, that would have made it a little easier to like conceal and everything. But I still got a great melt from this lace, okay? Don't get me wrong, the melt was melting. Y'all seen the melt, okay? This wig overall is just, it's a yes for me. This could easily be one of my favorite wigs when I really want to feel like a boss baddie, okay? And just have a whole lot of hair on my head. This is definitely up for the job. So yes, girl, we cute now with nothing to do. Like, I'm literally about to just take my makeup right back off and go to sleep, because I'm boring. It's Saturday night. I done got dressed up and everything, and I'm finna go to bed. Boring. Low-key shit. You don't want to waste a beat. You don't want to waste the wig slack. I might have to find somewhere to go tonight. I don't know. We gotta go somewhere. We gotta see the world. We gotta show the world this. You know what I'm saying? Girl, that is it for today's video. Once again, thank you so much, Wiggins Hair, for this bomb unit. Make sure to get y'all hands on one. If you're interested, go ahead and click them links down below. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Come on, girl, come join the crew. I know you want to join. We be having fun as well, okay? Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my Instagram popping, so follow me on Instagram. Thank y'all again for watching. Love y'all so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out. Now, I really need to go find me something to do, because I'm looking the fuck good, period.